Structured CPE credits for the year 2023 on the ICAI Digital Learning Hub. learning.icai.org. Requirements to earn your CPE credit hours. Learn mandatory modules of the course. Spend minimum required time in reading. Pass the assessment modules. Mark as read on the completed modules. On completion, mark the course as completed to earn your CPE credits. List of structured courses in various learning hubs. Learning Hub, Digital Insights. Forensic Accounting and Fraud Detection. 3 hours. Artificial Intelligence or Machine Learning for Finance Professional 2 hours. Applying Analytics for Finance Professional 2 hours. FAFP Level 2 2 hours. Learning Hub Indirect Taxes. E-Learning on GST 3 hours. Knowledge Series on Basic of GST 3 hours. Lectures on Reconciliation Statement Audit and Appeals 3 hours. E-Learning on UAE VAT 3 hours. Learning Hub Auditing and Assurance. Standards on Auditing, total 38 standards 3 hours. Standards on Quality Control, 1 standard, 2 hours. Standard on Assurance Engagement, total 3 standards 2 hours. Standard on Related Services, total 2 standards 2 hours. Standard on Review Engagements, total 2 standards 2 hours. Guidance Note on the Company's Auditor's Report, Order, 2020 3 hours. Guidance Note on Audit of Banks 2020 edition 3 hours. Guidance Note on Audit of Banks 2021 edition 3 hours. Technical Guide on Audit of Internal Financial Controls in case of public sector banks 1 hour. Guidance Note on Audit of Banks 2022 edition 3 hours. Learning Hub Accounting Standards. Lectures of Accounting 3 hours. Learning Hub Ethical Standards. Code of Ethics 3 hours. Learning Hub International Taxation. Foreign Tax Credit 2 hours. Interpretation of Tax Treaties including Perspective on MLI 2 hours. Place of Effective Management 2 hours. An Overview of Transfer Pricing 2021 2 hours. Overview of International Taxation 2021 2 hours. Basics of Taxation of Non-Residents 2021 2 hours. Transfer Pricing Documentation and Drafting 2021 2 hours. Deeming Provisions in Respect of Non-Residents. Overview of Section 9 of the Income Tax Act 1961 2 hours. Significant Economic Presence, Impact Analysis 1 hour. Deeming Provisions in Respect of Non-Residents. Overview of Section 9 of the Income Tax Act 1961 2 hours. Significant Economic Presence, Impact Analysis 1 hour. Presumptive Taxation for Non-Residents half an hour. Capital Gains, Special Exemptions to Non-Residents and Foreign Companies 1 hour. Foreign Tax Credit Concept and Application 2021 1 hours. Learning Hub Corporate Social Responsibility. Overview of Corporate Social Responsibility 1 hour. Laws governing corporate social responsibility 1 hour. Project Management and Implementation 1 hour. Learning Hub Valuation Standards Board. Framework for the preparation of valuation report in accordance with the ICAI Valuation Standards 2018 1 hour. Preface to the ICAI Valuation Standards 2018 1 hour. ICAI Valuation Standard 101 Definitions 1 hour. ICAI Valuation Standard 102 Valuation Basis 1 hour. ICAI Valuation Standard 103 Valuation Approaches and Methods 1 hour. ICAI Valuation Standard 201 Scope of Work, Analysis, and Evaluation 1 hour. ICAI Valuation Standard 202 Reporting and Documentation 1 hour. ICAI Valuation Standard 301 Business Valuation 1 hour. ICAI Valuation Standard 302 Intangible Assets 1 hour. ICI Valuation Standard 303, Financial Instruments 1 hour. VCM, ATQ Series 7 Learnings from Judicial Pronouncements on Valuation. How far the verdicts and findings relevant now? 1 hours. VCM, ATQ Series 8 Learnings from the Observations of Peer Review of Valuation Reports. 1 hours. VCM, ATQ Series 9 ESOP Valuation Model and Issues. 1 hours. VCM, ATQ Series 10 Valuation of Startups. 1 hours. VCM, ATQ Series 11 Brand Valuation. How it affects value. 1 hours. ATQ Series 12 Due Diligence and Valuation. 1 hours. VCM, ATQ Series 13 Valuation of Complex Securities. 1 hours. VCM, ATQ Series 14 Fair Value Purchase Price Allocation. 1 hours. Calendar of trigger dates of valuation under various laws. 2 hours. Concept paper on estimating discount rates in valuation. 2 hours. Handbook on best practices for registered valuers. 3 hours. Judicial pronouncements in valuation. 3 hours. LIBOR Transition Valuation Guide. 2 hours. Concept paper on inventory valuation. 2 hours. VCM, ATQ Series 15 Valuation of Inventory Accounting vis-a-vis valuation aspects. 2 hours. Total number of CPE hours for the members to accomplish their CPE requirements is 100.5 hours. Thank you. For views, suggestions and queries, kindly contact email for student, boslearning@icai.in, email for member, elearning@icai.in.